go. Okay, checking in with you really quick. So what I did so far is just wet the first half of the house right here. It's a pretty big house, 2-story, right? And so now I'm gonna go back and now supply the solution. And while the solution sets for about 5 minutes or so, I'll go rinse the other side and then let that sit and come back and wash, apply, so forth and so on, carry on until it's all done. Also, you want to make sure you keep your gloves on. Get out of those chemicals on your hands.